Hi, I'm Anthony Lacorte, and this is my activity 3. I'm talking about plant cell and animal cell. Good day. At this moment, I will be explaining the different parts of an animal cell and then explain its functions. So, let us start. First, I will explain this organelle, and this is nucleus. Nucleus is the specialized organelle which plays the role of the information and administrative center of the cell. Next is nucleolus. Nucleolus is a condensed region where ribosomes are formed. Next is in this part. This is chromatin. A chromatin is a DNA plus associated proteins. Next is this part. This is centrioles. Centrioles is that its role is to organize microtubules that serve as the cell skeletal system. The next one is in this part, and this is cytoskeleton. It is responsible for the locomotion of the cell itself and the movement of the various organelles within it. The next one is this organelle here. This is a mitochondria. Its only purpose is to produce energy. The next one is the organelle here. This is a plasma membrane or a cell membrane, and its purpose is to provide protection for a cell. Next is in this part, and this is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is where the chemical reactions happen. Next is the organelle here. This is ribosome. A ribosome or ribosomes are minute particles consisting of RNA and associated proteins that functions to synthesize proteins. Next is in this part. And this particle is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is associated with ribosomes, which make secretory and membrane proteins. Next is this one. This is Golgi apparatus. The only role of Golgi apparatus is to modify proteins. Next is this part. This is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and its only role is to make lipids. Last but not the least is the particle here, and this is lysosome. A lysosome is a membrane-bound cell organelle that contains digestive enzymes. They break down excess or worn-out cell parts. So, it ends with my discussion on animal cell and its functions. So, let us go to talking about its major differences and similarities between animal and plant cell. So, let us start. Now, in discussing the major differences and similarities between animal and plant cell, we all know that there are similarities, which is many, between plant and animal cells, as well as 3 key differences. Both kinds of cells are eukaryotic, which means that they are larger than bacteria and microbes, and their processes of cell division make use of mitosis and meiosis. Unlike animal cells, plant cells have cell walls and organelles called chloroplasts. Plant cells also have a large central vacuole, while animal cells either have small vacuoles or none. These differences result in functional differences, such as plants' ability to get energy from the sun instead of from organic matter. So that ends with my discussion. Thank you very much.